Welcome to the Biology Lecture Standard 12 2020-21. The second chapter of Unit 1 is Reproduction in Lower and Higher Animals. Contents of the chapter are various methods of reproduction in animals, the human reproductive system, gametogenesis and fertilization, early embryology, parturition, and reproductive health. Gametogenesis. The gametogenesis is the process of formation of gametes in sexually reproducing animals. The male gamete is sperm and the female gamete is ovum or egg. The gametes are formed from primordial germ cells of gonad. Spermatogenesis. The process of formation of the male gamete, that is sperm or spermatozoa, from the germinal epithelium of testis is called spermatogenesis. At the onset of puberty, the hypothalamus begins secretion of gonadotropin-releasing hormone GnRH. It initiates the significant increase in the secretion of follicle-stimulating hormone FSH, which induces spermatogenesis. Each seminiferous tubule is lined by a single layer of cuboidal epithelial cells called germinal epithelium. The cells of germinal epithelium undergo spermatogenesis to produce sperms. Process of spermatogenesis involves three phases. The diagram representing spermatogenesis. First is multiplication phase. The primordial germ cells 2n of seminiferous tubules undergo repeated mitotic divisions to produce large number of spermatogonia 2n. Each spermatogonium is diploid and with 46 chromosomes. Second, growth phase. Some of the spermatogonia stop dividing and grow in size to develop into primary spermatocyte 2n due to accumulation of food. Third is maturation phase. It involves meiotic or reduction division. The spermatocyte undergoes the first phase of meiotic division, meiosis 1, leading to formation of two haploid cells called secondary spermatocytes N, which are with 23 chromosomes each. The secondary spermatocyte undergoes second phase of meiotic division, meiosis 2, to produce four haploid spermatids. The spermatid is non-motile and non-functional. It gets transformed into a functional spermatozoa by the process called spermatogenesis. During this process of change, the spermatids remain held to each other and to the Sertoli cells by cytoplasmic bridges. The sperm heads remain attached to the Sertoli cells and their tails hanging in the lumen of seminiferous tubule. During spermiogenesis, length of spermatid increases. Centrioles are rearranged as primary and distal centrioles. Mitochondria become spirally coiled and acrosome is formed from Golgi complex. Structure of sperm. Sperm is the male gamete. It is a motile, microscopic, elongated cell. It is divisible into three parts: head, middle piece, and tail. Diagram representing the structure of a mature sperm. Head. The sperm head is oval in shape and contains haploid nucleus. Above the nucleus, there is a cap-like structure called acrosome. It is formed from the Golgi body. Acrosome contains hydrolytic enzymes, hyaluronidase, and proteolytic enzymes like zona lysine and corona penetrating enzymes. Neck. It is a very short region having two centrioles, that is proximal centriole and distal centriole. Middle piece. It has an axial filament surrounded by 10 to 14 spiral turns of mitochondria. It produces energy necessary for the movement of tail. It is a long, slender and tapering part containing cytoplasm and fine thread axial filament. The axial filament arises from the distal centriole and travels throughout the length of tail. It is partially surrounded by plasma membrane. Main piece. The part without plasma membrane is called end piece. Oogenesis. It is process of formation of the haploid female gamete, that is egg or ovum, from the diploid germinal epithelium. It involves the process of meiosis and mitosis. Like spermatogenesis, oogenesis process can be divided into three stages. First, multiplication phase. Second, growth phase. Third, maturation. Here the diagram representing how oogenesis occurs and the stages of oogenesis. First, multiplication phase. In this stage, the primary germinal cells, PGCs 2N of ovary, undergo repeated mitotic division to form millions of gamete, mother cells or oogonial cells 2N. This process is completed in the embryonic stage of human female. Second, growth phase. Some of the oogonia stop division and begin to increase in size and form the primary oocyte 2N. Cellular organelles like endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, and mitochondria increase in. Third, maturation phase. Oogenesis takes place in the ovaries. The process is initiated prior to birth of the female baby. The primary oocytes 2N enter the maturation phase, which includes meiotic division, meiosis I and meiosis II. The diploid primary oocytes undergo meiosis I reduction division to form two haploid daughter cells. This division is peculiar in females as both the daughter cells are with haploid number of chromosomes, that is 23 chromosomes. But due to unequal division of cytoplasm of the two daughter cells produced, one is a large cell called secondary oocyte N and another is a small cell called first polar body N. Normally, the first polar body does not enter meiosis II. The secondary oocyte N proceeds meiosis II only up to metaphase II. Its division is further stopped or arrested at this stage. The secondary oocyte is shed from the Graafian follicle and ovary. The restart and completion of meiosis II will happen only with entry of the sperm. This last phase is usually completed in the ampulla of the fallopian tube at the time of fertilization. In this division also, the two unequal daughter cells are formed. The large cell is ovum N and the small cell is second polar body N. The ovum so formed functions as the female gamete and is ready for fertilization. Completion of meiosis II and completion of fertilization go hand in hand. If the secondary oocyte does not receive the spermatozoa, it is shed off along with Structure of secondary oocyte. In humans, unfertilized egg when ovulated, that is released from the ovary, is actually secondary oocyte. It is non-sclerotic, without shell and microlethal. Yolk is present in very small quantity. It is approximately 0.1 mm, 100 microns in size. It is rounded, non-motile and haploid female gamete. The nucleus of the egg appears large and is called germinal vesicle. Typical nucleus or pronucleus is formed at the time of fertilization. The cytoplasm of egg is also called ooplasm. It is devoid of centrioles. The egg is surrounded by various curves. Here is the structure of unfertilized egg or ovum. The egg membrane is called vitelline membrane. It secretes a non-cellular glycoproteinous membrane, zona pellucida, on its outside. Adhering to the outer surface of zona pellucida are several radially elongated cells forming the corona radiata. These cells are derived from the innermost layer of granulosa cells. They are firmly held to the zona pellucida and to each other by hyaluronic acid mucopolysaccharide. Between the vitelline membrane and the zona pellucida is a fluid-filled perivitelline space. The first polar body lies in this space. The egg shows polarity. The side having germinal vesicle and first polar body is called animal pore, while the side opposite to it is called vegetal pore. What we learned today: spermatogenesis, multiplication phase, growth phase, maturation phase, structure of sperm, oogenesis, multiplication phase, growth phase of oogenesis, maturation phase of oogenesis, and structure of secondary oocyte. Thanks for watching the video. Kindly like, share and subscribe.